Fox Weather is your Hurricane HQ. This is the latest on Hurricane Melissa, the 5 p.m. advisory from the National Hurricane Center. We've got that. Winds at 90 miles per hour. So this is a Category 1 hurricane at this point, and that process of accelerating farther off to the north and east is continuing, now moving 16 miles per hour. But for the time being, it's hurricane conditions taking place in the central part of the Bahamas, a sprawling wind field down toward Turks and Caicos, where they have a tropical storm warning in effect. But right here, it's something that we now see north of Cuba. We're in a different set of meteorological circumstances. Down south, we had that annular hurricane, purely symmetric. The whole thing was effectively the core of the storm, looking like a DVD or a big disc of intense winds. Now it's starting to feel some of the influences of the upper level winds. The jet stream stretches out the wind field a bit, but it's actually enhancing. We typically see this in storms that gain latitude, get farther off to the north late in the season. It starts to get some characteristics of storms that you see in the higher latitudes, and it's the northwestern quadrant of this that we've been watching over the last several hours blowing up with some intense thunderstorms. So if you're under those, mixing down some of the stronger winds from aloft, that's where we're seeing the worst of the conditions there in the central Bahamas. And look at that. So we're at 90 miles per hour with the latest advisory. The National Hurricane Center still has this storm intensifying a little bit as we move forward through what's left of this week. Later Thursday evening and Thursday night, this roars its way past. It has, again, that asymmetric shape, more of a subtropical storm at that point, but it'll bring briefly hurricane conditions to Bermuda. That's what we're expecting later tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night.